what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can find this 2020 filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So this is the filter. To use this filter you have to press and hold the record button. So this is it. I have to go Grey's Anatomy and I have to check season 3 episode 11 12:38. Okay, so that was it guys. To get this effect you can visit Akiko. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your camera tricks. She's having some awesome filter. So check in her filter gallery and this is the filter 2020. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your camera and you can try it. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.